So in the last couple of years, my thoughts on ceramic coating has really changed. Me being an old school painter, I used to like to polish my vehicles up, put a wax on them. But when I tried out these newer ceramic coatings, I was blown away on how easy it is to clean your vehicle and how nice your vehicle will look in between washes, because things don't stick to that vehicle as well. So now for the last couple of years, every vehicle that I get, I always put a ceramic coating on it. So now that I'm really having a good outcome with the outside of the vehicles, the next big problem I always run into is having a problem with the brake dust and being able to clean them wheels without taking them off the vehicle. And today we have a product here from Diamond Protect. This is a ceramic coating that is able to handle the high heat from your brakes and still give you the same properties that you're gonna have on the outside of your vehicle, but now on your wheels. So let's go outside and I'll show you the vehicle we're gonna be working on today. So this is the 2025 Nightmare Roush F-150. This is a supercharged 705 horsepower, four-wheel drive if you want to put it in four-wheel, or you can run this in two-wheel drive. This is a beautiful truck. And yes, I did pick this up about 6 months ago, and I've been loving it ever since. And we did coat the outside of the vehicle with a ceramic coating. So the outside is easy to be cleaned, but I'm still dealing with those wheels that are getting that brake dust on them, and it is hard to keep clean because you really can't get in here as nice as you want to sometimes without removing the wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on here. We're gonna take the wheels off, that way we can get to the backside of the barrels. And this product only needs 1 hour cure time, so we'll be able to test it once we get done to see how it's gonna have that hydrophobic properties. That way we do not have anything sticking to these wheels, and we can clean it as easy as the outside. All right, we've got all 4 wheels off of the truck. We're gonna go ahead and get them cleaned up. I am gonna be using a foam cannon and a pressure washer. That way I can move through these wheels quickly when cleaning them, and then we'll get them inside and we'll start the coating process. And you can see there, now that they're clean, they have nothing on them as far as wax, and this is not beating at all. So I'm really curious to see, once we get them coated, how is this gonna look on the back? That way nothing sticks to it anymore. All right, so all the wheels are clean, and we've got the first one on the table here. We did put some wheel chocks in it. That way it doesn't roll off of here while we're working on it. They do make different types of machines that you can put the wheel on and it spins. It's got wheels down here, and those are nice. But we're doing it old school, and we've got our wheel chocks to keep it from rolling. So first thing we will do is wipe it down one more time after we cleaned it with this surface prep. That will remove any waxes, oils, and polishing residue, because sometimes these wheels do get hit with some type of a tire shine, and that could be on here. So you want to get it off. Most important part of doing any type of ceramic coating is getting it to bond to the surface. That way it lasts a long time. Without that bond, you're not going to have it hold on, and it's not going to last nearly as long as it's recommended from the manufacturer. So do your best to clean it. If you have old wheels, maybe you want to clay them, you want to polish them. These being fairly new, we're just gonna go ahead, hit them with our surface prep. Then we're gonna follow the instructions from the company of the product we're using. So in the kit, it comes with everything you need to get the job done, even gloves, so that way you can keep yourself from getting those chemicals on you. So first off, you're gonna get your gloves on, then you're gonna hit it with your Diamond body prep, and then you're gonna go ahead and hit it with the diamond wheel. And what makes this product really stand out from the other ones is it's got some type of technology with nano diamond coating. And that's gonna make it extra strong and really handle that high heat. This one here says it goes up to 1,000 degrees and prevents brake dust, road grime, corrosion, keeps rims and brakes calipers clean and glossy. And this one can even be used in a spray gun, it's saying, hand or spray gun application. So we are gonna be heading out to Orlando. The Mobile Tech Expo is coming up, and that's where I seen these folks last year. And what better time is to try out this before we go down, and then we can give them our real results on how they worked out for us on these wheels. So we're gonna go ahead now and get started with the body prep. We'll get it cleaned off, and then we'll start applying the diamond wheel coating. I recommend starting out at your valve stem and then going whatever way you wanna go, whether it's left or right. We're gonna go to the right. All right, we've got a pamphlet in here. I'll go ahead and read this to you real quick. That way you can learn a little bit more about this product as well as myself. Diamond wheels, the most heat resistant nano diamond coating ever produced. Diamond wheels is the greatest example of aerospace technology making its way into the automotive industry. This nano diamond infused composite coating boasts a staggering heat resistance rating in excess of 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit and 1,000 degrees Celsius. A feat suitable for even the fastest Formula One race cars. The power of the nano diamonds allows and enables the coatings to double as the most user-friendly, durable, and aesthetic coating ever made for wheels. All right, so we fully wiped it down with the body prep, and now we're gonna go ahead and apply the coating. Make sure you shake it up good. You've got your applicator pad. Make sure you start out at the valve stem and work your way around. That way you do not miss any spots, and you can try to get it as even as possible. All right, so we applied it, and now we're gonna go ahead and start taking it off. I just started at the top, like I said, and I'm working my way around. We did get the front and the back. In here, I'm in air conditioned, so we've got time, I think, to get it off. And I just applied it all at one time. And then I'm gonna work my way around and remove it. And then we'll let it sit for that 1 hour. We'll take them back outside and wet them down and see how the outcome is on this. And then I'll give you guys feedback later on how long it really lasts. But you can see already the gloss is insane, how much gloss it adds to that wheel with this product. So that's the one thing I do love about the ceramics. It really glosses up the vehicle, but it really is almost self-cleaning. All right, so we've got all the wheels done, and while we were letting them dry, we went ahead and washed the truck. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to wash your truck with the ceramic on it. You foam it, you spray it down, and you blow it off, and I'm telling you, it'll come out spotless when you have a good ceramic coating on there. We're gonna go ahead now and test out the ceramic hydrophobic properties of the wheel now that it's been dried for over an hour and a half. and then we're gonna get them back on the vehicle and show it to you guys all finished up. All right, so before we wet it, look at the gloss now on the inside of that wheel once we got that thing coated with that nano diamond technology. And the outside looks beautiful as well. And this has been cured now for over an hour. So let's go ahead and see how it does with the hydrophobic capabilities now that we have it all coated nicely and dried. Check out how it's beating up and coming right off. Just like the outside of the vehicle, and I'll show you now once we blow it, you won't even have to touch this with a towel. So that is the Diamond wheel kit from Diamond ProTech, and that is the one that's made for the wheels. It's able to handle that high heat, and it really does a nice job on glossing those wheels out. So hopefully we'll see them this year over at the Mobile Expo in Orlando. It's coming up soon, and I'm looking forward to being there and checking out all the new products. So I'll give you guys an update on this, and I will leave everything in the description of this video. We are not sponsored by them. This was not a sponsored video. It's just a good quality product that I know works, and I wanted to give you guys some feedback on it. So we'll see you guys on the next one.